How to see TikTok private account videos. So if you want to see the TikTok private account videos, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you just need to simply go with your search option, which will be on the top right. Simply tap on the search and then you need to search for the person who has a private account. Now, once you get the people or the person who has a private account, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the profile link. So tap on share and you will have the link option. You can simply copy the link, which is right here. Tap on copy link and the profile link has been copied, right? Once you copy the link, now you can simply go with your browser, Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and you need to find the sites that can help you view private profile on TikTok. So just simply go and search. Once you've searched, you will have the options to view the private TikTok profiles. You just need to simply tap on it. And once you open those websites, you can simply go and enter the TikTok username of the person or the email of the person to view their videos. So that's the way you can see TikTok private videos or private account videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.